Total rewind.
Alright guys, it's the Red Menace. I haven't been here for a long time. I haven't posted anything on my channel for a very long time, but I plan to remedy that. Anybody still subscribed? McFly. Anyway, I went out and I got a Double Masters VIP edition. I figured if I'm coming back, I'm coming back strong. I got a Double Masters booster card, booster pack. I already opened it, and you'll see. Get that out of here. So this is what we ended up with. You know, let's just go back to the good card. There it is, Walking Ballista. I pulled a Walking Ballista. That's pretty much the only good card. I mean, I got a foil Darksteel Axe. No big deal, but Walking Ballista. I think it's like a $16 card right now. So there you go. But while we're all here, you saw the description. Still sealed, VIP, Double Masters. $140. I know what you're thinking. Oh my God. I have no idea what the best cards to pull are. So if I pull a card and I'm not that excited about it, that's why. I really don't know. I like MTG, but I'm not a super MTG guy, so I don't know what all the best cards are or most valuable cards are. Some of them I might know, but we'll see. Anyway, okay, that's nice. Definitely, they don't make it easy to open. All right, so that's all that's in there. And from what I understand, all of these should be foil. You can see Crypt Swap on the front. And we got a copy token on the back. So let's see what we got. Just gonna put them right there.
Oh, that's right. I'm just gonna pull them one by one. Rapacious Dragon. I probably won't be able to pronounce all these. Twisted Abomination. Cosmos Predator. Pirate Spellbound. Divest. Iron League Steed. Manamorphos. Actually, my card looks. Mishra's Factory. Nope, we're getting into commons now. Treasure Mage. Welding Jar. Chief of the Foundry. Guess that should be every so often that you guys see what the cards look like. It's like Gorklan Rampager. Skull Mulcher. Toppled Statue. This card actually looks very good. Blasphemous Act actually like this card. Uh-oh, I got something good back there. Let's see, what is it?
Academy Ruins. I think this is a good card. I don't know. And Force of Will. Oh my God. I know that's a good card. I know this one. People like this card. One life and exile a blue card from your hand rather than pay the spell's mana cost. Counter target spell. Yeah. Oh, and that artwork is awesome. All right. And it's the rest lands? Lands? Yeah, the rest of his lands. They actually look pretty awesome now. This is one of my favorite swamps. It's like that. In my vampire deck, I have a lot of those. Okay, we got a 4 island. Ooh, oh, that's definitely going to my vampire deck. I just said I got a lot of them, right? Yes. Eldrazi Spawn and a cat. The Eldrazi I actually give to a friend of mine. He loves his Eldrazi. So anyway, that's it. I got a Force of Will and Academy Ruins. I mean, I know Force of Will is good. I don't know about Academy Ruins. You guys tell me down in the comments. Would you be happy with these? Would you be excited with these? Should I not be touching them with my bare hands and sleeve them immediately and put them on eBay? Let me know. If those are the big hits in the pack. It's your boy Red Menace. Hopefully I'll have some more MTG content coming for you pretty soon on MTG Arena, and I'm about to start to get back into my Mario Kart, so you might see some of that and maybe some other RPGs. I was playing Dauntless recently. I kind of like that game, sort of like a Monster Hunter type game, so we'll see. Anyway, MTG content definitely going to be coming soon. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked, subscribed, comment down below. Peace.